Hello everyone, welcome to Praveen Tutorials. This is Deepak Mathematics. Today our topic is on laws of radicals. What do you mean by radicals? It means surds. Surds can also be called as radicals. Okay? So laws of radicals. The first one is nth root of a into nth root of b. Nth root of a into nth root of b is equal to nth root of ab. Nth root of a into nth root of b is equal to nth root of ab. Example, square root of 2 into square root of 3 is equal to square root of 2 into 3, that is equal to square root of 6. At the same time, cube root of 5 into cube root of 7 is equal to cube root of 5 into 7, that is equal to cube root of 5 7s are 35. Here, multiplication of two surds is possible if the orders are equal. If the orders are equal, then simply keep the same order and multiply the radicates. So this is the first law. Okay. I'll explain in detail about this. Nth root of a into nth root of b. Write this in exponential form. Is equal to a power 1 by n. As explained in the previous class, nth root of a can be written in the exponential form as a power 1 by n. At the same time, b power 1 by n. Okay. This is in the form of a power m into b power m is equal to ab whole power n. Okay. According to that means according to this, a power 1 by n into b power n by n can be written as ab whole power 1 by n. Again, write this in a third form. That means nth root of ab. So this is how we can write nth root of a into nth root of b is equal to nth root of ab. Okay, like this. This is the first law. Second law. Nth root of a by nth root of b is equal to nth root of a by b. Nth root of a by nth root of b is equal to nth root of a by b. Example, root 2 by root 3 is equal to root 2 by 3. One more example, cube root of 16 by cube root of 4. This can be written as cube root of 16 by 4. 16 cancels with 4. How many times? 4 times. 4 4s are 16. Cube root of 4. So the final answer is cube root of 4. Okay, like that. So here, what did we understood? We understood that even the quotient of two surds, that means dividing a surd with another surd, is possible if the orders are equal. If the orders are equal, then it is possible for us to divide the two surds. We have to keep the same order and simply divide the radicates. Okay. Square root of 2 by cube root of 5. Is it possible? It is not possible because the orders are not equal. This is the surd of second order and this is the surd of third order. Here division is not possible. In the previous law, square root of 2 into cube root of 11. Is it possible? This is also not possible. We can't multiply these two surds because their orders are different. So from this, what you understood? Multiplication of a surd and division of a surd is possible if the orders are equal. If the orders are equal, then we can able to multiply or divide two surds. Okay. So write this in exponential form. Nth root of a is equal to a power 1 by n by nth root of b can be written as b power 1 by n. So this is in the form of a power n by b power n is equal to a by b whole power n. According to this can be written as a by b whole power 1 by n. So this is the exponential form. Convert this into surd form. Naturally, nth root of a by b. Okay. Not only two surds, you can multiply as many surds as you can if the orders are equal. For example, square root of 2 into square root of 3 into square root of 5 is equal to square root of 2 into 3 into 5. That is equal to square root of 2 5s are 2 3s are 6 5s are 30. Or cube root of 2 into cube root of 7 into cube root of 10. Not only that, you can multiply even 2 3 surds of same order. That is equal to cube root of 2 into 7 into 10. 7 2s are 14. 14 into 10 is 140. That gives cube root of 140. Okay. Come to the third law. Third law. Nth root of a or nth root of a is equal to mn root a. Mth root of a or nth root of mth root of a, both are equal. Mth root of a is equal to mth root of a. Even though the order replaces, that means exchanges its place, gives the same result. Okay, so that is equal to mn root a. Okay, example, cube root of fifth root of 7. This can be written as fifth root of cube root of 7. That is equal to 5 into 3 root 7. 5 3s are 15. 15th root 7. Finally becomes 15th root 7. Okay. How it is possible? How this result obtained? That I will explain. Nth root of a can be written as a power 1 by n. Whole power nth root of a can be written as whole power 1 by m. Nth root of a can be written in the exponential form as a power 1 by n, and this whole thing can be written in the exponential form as 1 by m. So a power 1 by n whole power 1 by m is equal to a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. According to that, a power 1 by n into a 1 by m. In place of m, 1 by n is there, in place of m. So that becomes a power 1 into 1 is 1, m into n is mn. That becomes, again write this in surd form, that becomes mn root a. Like this. Okay. Not only this, mth root, nth root, pth root 8. That becomes mnp root 8. Okay. Example, cube root, square root, fifth root 7. That becomes 3 into, here the odd becomes 2. 2 into 5 root 7. 3 2s are 6. 6 5s are 30. That becomes 30th root 7. Okay, like that you can keep as many as you can. Okay. So these are the laws of surds. Okay. Still there are some more laws that we need to discuss. Okay. So that we will discuss in the next section. Okay. Hope you understood this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe to Praveen Tutorials. Thank you very much.